और सिक्का उछला क्या हुआ वो देखेंगे, लेकिन जूनियर
to do really well. And speak of the starting seven, will give us the go ahead. Manpreet Pradeep to start the proceedings. First rate. Navneet, right raider, he just goes so away from Sahil. He knows Sahil Narwal has been really good in that left corner. The only point is those covers, new covers, because for the very first time we are seeing a new right cover, Nilesh Shinde, come along and start in the starting seven. He was on the substitution lines, nothing there.
और
Yeah, but not a minus point. I'll tell you what, it's not right, isn't it? You know, as a coach, Dilbag Singh, I will only be talking about Dilbag Singh. Oh, he was blinded, but still goes away. Amandeep Kajal was going in for the block, Navneet, and what a nice thinking from Ayush Singh. He's Hubballikar comes in. Karambrekar, Sushil Karambrekar, and to order it. First rate, he's got a bonus +1. What a beginning here for him in the Yuva stage. He's playing for the very first time on the Yuva All-Stars Championship. He's also been in that senior professional leagues. And what a nice way to start off. And I'll tell you what, he's a Kannadiga. He's a Veera Kannadiga. Great. Ayush Singh, he was actually supposed to start, but Mayank Sen, he walked in together. Diving ankle hold. Sahil Narwal does really well. Manpreet Pradeep. He did not realize that captain from that left corner is coming, charging against him. Outside the...
मयंक सैनी, जी हाँ, 4 और 3 का स्कोर, 4.5 मिनट का खेल, 6 खिलाड़ियां मौजूद, 3 चेन। यहाँ पर देखिए, बच्चों की तरह जैसे हम लोग हाथ पकड़ के रोड क्रॉस करते थे, वैसे ही 3 चेन, ये ऐसे ही 3 चेन बाहर कर दिया गया है।
Strong dash. Yeah. To get a touch point, Navneet.
Oh yes, beautifully explained the concept of place and palace and rightly called place, लेकिन यहाँ पे ऐसा इशारा किया जा रहा है कि क्या वो लॉबी में चले गए। मनप्रीत गए या नहीं गए कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे धराशायी कर दिए गए हैं मनप्रीत।
Yeah. And when Amandeep goes back and watches it in his hotel room, he might throw away his mobile phone. Probably on the bed. Yeah, that's Hayat place. That's what we are going on and explaining. But look at this. Sushil Karambrekar, another multiple point rate. Goes in, gets the bonus and escapes.
स्क्रीन पे दिखाया जा रहा था H फॉर हयात, H फॉर हरिद्वार, H फॉर हॉस्पिटैलिटी, लेकिन यहाँ पर M फॉर मिडिल लाइन को क्रॉस किया है बहुत आसानी से।
So we saw what Dilbag Singh said. He said Sushil Kumar, in fact Sushil Karambrekar, he will come in deeper. So let him allow come into deeper, but no, the right cover does exactly opposite to what Dilbag Singh said. And wonderful thigh hold. That's the first time that he's been tackled. And he did not expect that to happen. Brilliant from the right cover, Nilesh Shinde. What's this?
Red.
Yeah, Sushil, he was not looking at the right cover at all. A bit of over.
जी हाँ, वो जो पतला सा गलियारा है जिसे हम कहते हैं लॉबी, जो है गुलाबी रंग का, वो गुलाबी रंग तब एक्टिवेट होता है जब आप संपर्क में आइए, खिलाड़ी के संपर्क में आए हैं, बाहर फेंक दिया गया है और लॉबी के थ्रू बिल्कुल बाहर का रास्ता दौड़ के जल्द।
It's not allowing the audio to come out clear. Yeah, the audio technical crew will check that out. Yeah, because the mic is just muffled completely. But yeah, Hubballikar comes in, kicks away. Yeah, Sushil Karambrekar. I'm just calling him Hubballikar because he's from Hubballi. What a nice kick. Sahil Narwal on that left corner did not even expect that strong lad would go out and kick him. Yeah, time to talk to him for sure. I just got that information that he is just from Hubballi.
Red.
So nice, isn't it? Navneet, I will want to ask you because you are the Wikipedia of so many things. Navipedia, that's what it's true. So yeah, I'll tell you what. Because of languages, you know, in Haridwar, I found a Malayali Chechi giving me dosas in the evening at 7 p.m. Can you beat that in Haridwar?
1 point.
As Mayank Saini could not beat that block. Yeah, I know.
Do or die.
Yeah, you've also put that in the group as well. So yes, you did check it up on the net. Hey, come on. Naughty fella. Ayush kicks in a do-or-die raid. Kicks to the center defender. Brilliant. And what a first half that we've had. Shivansh does not go back in time. And Ayush finally does not slide away into the lobby. 13-all it is at the end of the first 20 minutes, and we don't have anything to pick from both the sides. They've been doing really a wonderful job. 4th and 5th.
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल poised है team.
Fabulous. The first raid was empty. Second one is an ankle hold. Sahil Narwal throws out Manpreet Pradeep outside. And the coaching staff is happy.
मनप्रीत फिर से एक बार शिकार बने. यहाँ पे विकास 9 नंबर की जर्सी पहन के 14 और 13 का स्कोर जूनियर स्टीलर्स के पक्ष में. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? विकास जाधव को जाना पड़ेगा.
One raider. My God. And with that ankle hold, I will definitely say that India won star moment of the match because it is Sushil who's come on in. And what an angle! Wow, this is even better from Sahil Narwal. He's taken up an ego onto him and he says, you can be playing professional league, but my friend, this is more tougher and stronger on the Yuva Kabaddi mat. What an angle been created from that back hold. Sahil Narwal, look at him. He did not expect that coming in. And India won star moment of the match. Whatever the result of the match is, for me, it is going with Sahil Narwal. I will say Mayank Saini always keep wearing white. Bonus point, yes, to Dalal.
Yeah.
That's it.
4 points.
That's
Junior
it.
Steelers.
It's all over. It's all over.
Warriors.
And the junior Steelers will be really happy. Has Mayank Saini hurt himself? He's limping away. He's limping away. Probably his ankles. For everybody watching, of course they will be watching. The professional league teams on the other side. They will also try and realize that, yeah, Sushil Hubballikar has no running hand touch. He's got brute force. He's got power. He can go with the anti-dash from the covers. Running hand touch is a problem. But here, the dash was not strong enough.
2 points. Junior Steelers. Jersey number 33 and 36 out.
Lovely. Navneet
Red.
again, that left cover has been that little issue there for the Warriors, Casey. So last 5 minutes, I'll tell you what, the junior Steelers have come storming back into the match. 13-all it was, and it is 7-1, and now make that probably 10-1 if I'm not wrong.
Red
Hang
out.
on, Raider out, yeah, another
Junior
dash.
Steelers.
What is happening? And try and attack the covers, try and attack the right corner. That's what he needs to do. He has been very, very consistent, yes, but that consistency is given away. A lot of glue to Sahil Narwal. Frontal thigh hold. And Sushil also shows I can have the thigh hold. And Mayank already with the cramp on his left. Oh, this is a massive raid. Manpreet Pradeep first escapes the ankle hold from Sahil Narwal.
Number 99 and 2 out.
Oh, hang on. There was an ankle hold that was attempted from Ritik Thakre from the left end. I thought it was Sahil Narwal, but no. What was Ritik Thakre doing in attempting the ankle hold from the left end? Yeah, there you see. In the crowd, he comes in and also
Red.
takes Nilesh Shinde alongside with him. Somebody has been inducted in because there needed a defender. No, Sushil, don't go near him. Haven't you seen Manikandan Nesamani? He thinks that he is not a defender. I told you, Sushil, not to go there, but he will go there and inflict the all-out. A definite India one-star moment of the match. Oh my God, that was not a good thinking to start off with. But Manikandan Nesamani, on that right corner position, he's a cover defender. He was not in a good place for the ankle hold. And look what happened. No support that came in. Of course, it was a tough one as Yogesh Chahal
Junior Steelers.
was, of course, in
Number
that left
6 out.
corner. India
Three.
one-star moment of the match. And he escapes. And yeah, you were talking about the last 10 minutes. Navneet, and look at this. Ah, forget the stories, they say.
1 point.
It's blow for
Warriors
blow
case.
exchanged. And now the Warriors, Casey, are trying to blow it back. It is 11. Yeah,
आखिरी 5 मिनट,
yeah.
आखिरी 5 मिनट में जूनियर स्टीलर्स को मिला है एक, पता नहीं कैसे मिला है, यहाँ पे दूसरा पॉइंट मिलेगा,
Radar save.
लेकिन वॉरियर
1
केसी
point.
ने
Junior Steelers.
वॉरियर्स
Jersey
की
number
तरह खेला है.
1.
Thing, Navneet, you
Do
want to break
or
that down?
die.
Do or die rate. But after this, yes. Sushil Huballikar comes in.
जी हाँ, सुशील. ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ कोशिशें वहां
Radar
सुशील के द्वारा लेकिन
1
पकड़े
point.
जाएंगे.
Junior Steelers.
स्कोर 28 पे पहुंच जाएगा.
First
सिर्फ और
touch.
सिर्फ 2.5 मिनट यानी 150 सेकंड का खेल रह जाएगा.
Correct.
Radar.
But on that right corner again, there is an issue. Yeah, we saw a defender going
Official
down.
timeout.
Nilesh Shinde, our physio partner, Sai Institute of Paramedical Sciences, will come along. I
Radar.
think he stretched his waist a little. Yeah, because he was in a wrong position. He was twisting himself for the ankle hold. And there is that magic spray on his back. And he can try and not stretch that back because that is a twist. Because when you have a cramp, you need to stretch it more. But when you have a twist, don't stretch it. Oh, God. Nice kick! Ayush Singh! And the stands
1
have
point.
erupted here,
Junior
Navneet.
Steelers.
The
Jersey
scores
number
are once again
33.
level.
Out.
India 1 star. Where will they be? Because they are on the 5th position. Ritik runs in, probably the last raid of the match. He needs 2 points. Can he? No! Backhold! Nitin!
Out.
Nice,
1
nice
point.
backhold.
Warriors case.
What a wonderful way to get that backhold going in. Fabulous work. And I think that's all they will be getting in. Yeah, because Nitin Jangra, he was a substitute who came in
Do
from the
or
bench.
die.
Oh, Sushil Kambrekar. I leave the commentary box in your favor and go along.
Radar
It's
out.
30.
1 point.
Junior Steelers.
Steelers.
Disappointing loss. Lovely initiation in the first 10 minutes of the second half, but the last 10 minutes or the 8 minutes of the game, it has all been the
That's
Warriors,
over.
KC, because somewhere the Raiders of the Junior Steelers
को खोल दिया और वॉरियर्स केसी को जी